Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to basically be giving you guys a wig install video. Right now my hair is looking all messy. Yeah, braided it all up. So y'all can just watch me braid my hair real quick, and then I'll come back to y'all when I get ready to install the wig. So I did my braid down, and now I'm gonna show you what the wig look like. Hold up. So it's a curly unit. First I'm gonna do a wig cap over it. So yeah, it came with this band in the inside. It came with lace in the inside. I'm gonna do a middle part, and hopefully it looks really nice with some flattening and some curls defined on it. But I'm gonna put my wig cap on first. And then I'm gonna use some Got to Be Glue spray. By the time I'm done eating, it should be dry and ready for the next step. So I'm just gonna put the glue here. Can't wait to put this wig on. I'm so excited. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna put another layer on. I think it's dry. It feels dry. But you want me to right now? Hold on. Okay, that's layer number 2. All right, y'all, I'm cutting it now.
I am responsible for my own happiness. Happy and in love with myself. I am free of worry and regrets. I am the change I need to see. I am committed to personal growth.
My tail cough.
We have it yesterday when I was doing look in my Louis Vuitton bag in the kitchen and get the wax stick.
Okay, y'all, so I never came back to y'all after I put the wig on. Y'all didn't even get to see me like glue down the wig and like, well, you used a little glue for the lace. Y'all didn't get to see that. I was kind of getting annoyed. My mom kept coming in my video. Not that I didn't want her in it. I just didn't want her in it at the moment. I just wanted to do, I like solo vlogs. I don't really like showing people in my videos anymore. Like, that shit is old. But yeah, this is how the wig came out. This is day 2. The lace could use a little bit more tint, so you won't see it. But I just basically flattened the hair and pulled it back into like a ponytail in the back, and then these are the curls. I took a shower today and let the hair get wet, So this is what the curls look like without any, you know, fixing or shaping. And this is how I look with no makeup on. Barefaced me. And yeah, like I think I did a good job. Like I did a good job under irritation. Yesterday was a little tough to handle. It was too much going on. And yeah, I like this wig though. My mom said she got it from Amazon for like $170. This is her wig. I'm gonna get more hair when I get a job, but for the meantime, this is a reinstall of a wig that has already been used. And yeah, it's really freaking cute. I like it. And I look pretty. I look pretty. So yeah, not too much on me. Not too much on me. Yeah, y'all. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that y'all stick around for the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post my videos. And don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Let me know in the comment section what y'all really want to see from me. You know, I just had a newborn. And you know, not to say that I'm not creative. I don't know what to create, because I do. I got plenty of ideas of like just regular vlogs that y'all can see. But I really want y'all to yeah, subscribe. See y'all in my next one. Bye.